Hello guys, I think I have finally figured out what I'm growing this year. I think this is the final list. At least this is what has been started thus far. For my peppers this year, total came out to be 21 varieties, and they are as follows thus far. Trinidad Scorpion Butch Tea, Carolina Reaper, a Ghost Pepper, an Orange Scotch Bonnet, a Jalapeno, the Hungarian Yellow Wax, a Serrano, Thai Yellow, Orange Habanero, Poblano, Anaheim, Cubanelle, Hot Red Cherry, Jimmy Nardello, Sweet Banana, Italian Marconi, Gold, Corno del Toro, Giallo. Is that how you say that? It's the yellow one, which actually looks orange, but anyway. The Yellow Bell, I'm not going to try that one. What else? Orange Sun Bell. Ooh, this focus is really bad. I'm not moving, just moving too much. There we go. Maxi Bell. And the only new pepper that I purchased this year was the Sugar Rush Peach, which is supposed to be super hot but has some sweetness to it too. I'm really not the one that does the hot peppers. I grow these for my family. I just think some of these peppers that's just insane. I also have my eggplant list this year. What I started, same from last year. This was the Turkish orange. I like this one. They came on early. You actually harvest them before they turn orange, is what I end up finding out. They taste better. But they pooped out like mid-summer. So these would be like the first ones I would be eating, but they actually didn't last through the whole summer, but I liked them enough that they came on first. Next up was the White Beauty, another one that came on early, but it lasted the whole summer. They were actually pretty good. It says 70 days, so they were early. I didn't even look to see. This one says 65, yeah. Next up was the Bianca Rosa. It's a late one. It's the one I'm usually waiting on, so I'm eating the other ones while I wait on this one, because I think this one is like 80 days before its maturity. Next up was the Rosita, which was new for me last year also too. And it says 70 days, which you can get it, pick it between 70 and 80 because, of course, it's smaller. You let it get a little bigger. It looks more like the Black Beauty a little bit, but it's got some slight variegation on it. And then the Ping Tung. These were, I'll say these were midway through, but they lasted the whole summer as well. So I'm trying to have them where I'll be picking some type of eggplant throughout the whole summer. So spacing them out. And two new for me this year. This is apple green eggplant. And this is supposed to be an early one too. That's supposed to be harvested when it's green as well. And this one is Little Fingers, that's supposed to be like 60 days. It was a real early one. So hopefully I'll have eggplants throughout the whole summer and they won't all come in at the same time. So this is that list. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Another one too. As far as this apple green and Little Fingers, anybody tried these before? And how did they perform for you? The reviews were mixed. It seemed to be real positive for the Little Fingers, but it was mixed on the apple green. So let me know if you guys have grown any of these. Talk to you next time.